Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to import QuickBooks to TurboTax. First, make sure your QuickBooks file is completely up to date. This prevents compatibility issues during the transfer. Next, create a backup of your QuickBooks company file. This is a crucial step for data safety. Finally, launch TurboTax and choose to begin a new tax return, preparing for the import process. Now let's get to the import. Within TurboTax, go to the File menu at the top and select the Import option. From the choices presented, pick QuickBooks as the program you're importing data from. You'll then need to browse your computer to find your QuickBooks company file, which typically ends with a QBW extension, and open it to proceed. After selecting your file, TurboTax will walk you through mapping your QuickBooks accounts to the appropriate tax categories. Take your time with this step to ensure everything aligns correctly. It's important to carefully review all the imported transactions and account balances. If anything looks off, make the necessary adjustments right then to maintain the accuracy of your tax return. Once you've reviewed and adjusted your data, confirm that everything has transferred accurately into TurboTax. This final check is vital before moving forward with your tax preparation. Remember to save your TurboTax file frequently to avoid losing any progress. Also, for some great deals and that special sock link, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.